What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Computer Solutions. So I'm at the Galaxy Note 10 event, and I got my hands on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and over here I got the Galaxy Note 10. And we go run down some specs, and I'm gonna give y'all guys my thoughts about this device. I mean, it looks good and it feels good. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. I got the Galaxy Note 10 right here, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus that is, and holding it in my hand for the first time, it's super sleek, it feels good. Let's go down and run down some specs that we got right quick. We got a 6.8-inch, beautiful, gorgeous, almost edge-to-edge display. We got the Snapdragon 855 processor. Listen to this, we got 12 gigs of RAM in this thing. It was confirmed that this device got 12 gigs of RAM from the Samsung Experience people here. We got 256 gigs of internal storage. We got all the bells and whistles. Now, again, we already know from all the leaks and rumors that this phone did not have a headphone jack, and I can confirm that this phone does not have a headphone jack. But overall, the first couple of minutes that I have with this device, it looks good, it feels good. I mean, it got a little weight to it, and that's the first prelim here. But the display here is really good. It's gorgeous. I got the black version here. This pen has some unique features that they talked about on stage. Some gestures and stuff like that, which we're going to go more in detail later on. But it looks the same as the Galaxy Note 9 when it comes down to the pen. But overall, this whole little device right here, it looks good and it feels good. Now on this side here, which is the right side, is clean. At the top, you do have your slide here for your mic, and look like you got your SIM slot here. And then on the side, which is the left side, you got your volume rocker and you have your power button. Now the power button is supposed to be dubbed as the Bixby button. And overall, it is a nice, sleek design. Now it's a boxy look. We're looking at it. Overall, it looks pretty good. Now on the back, you do have 3 cameras. You got your time of flight camera and you got a depth sensor along with a LED flash. I'm liking it so far. We got to have further testing with it, but you know, I want to kind of give you a real quick video on the Galaxy Note 10. Stay tuned for further coverage. This is Eric from Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy Note 10 Plus in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.